Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little sandal for a baby girl. I'm using 2.5 mm and a yarn. So let's start. First of all, I will make 14 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now skip 3 and in the fourth one make double crochet 2 times and 1 double crochet in 9 chain. Now I did my 9 chain. In the last I will do 5 double crochet. 2 3 4 and last one 5. Now make 9 double crochet. I did my 9 double crochet. In the last one I will make 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch. 1 2 and this is the third chain. Now chain 1 and make single crochet into the same stitch 2 times. In next make 2 single crochet and 1 2 3 4 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet. Now I did my 8 double crochet. In the 10 stitches make twice double crochet, 2 times double crochet in every stitch, 10 stitches. Now chain 8 double crochet, 8 in 8 stitches make 1 double crochet, 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now in the last 4 make 2 double crochet and make a slip stitch. Now my sole is ready. From the front of my sole, this is the front, I put stitch mark here and then I count 10 from this side and 10 from this side and put a stitch marker. So I will start my work from this side, remove stitch marker and make a chain 1. Now in the back loop of the make same in same space make double crochet and in the back loop of next stitch, this is the back loop, make double crochet. Continue your work and make it to the other side of heel. Half double crochet in back loop till to the other side. Now I'm here to the end. Now chain 1, turn your work, and in the next skip this one. In the next, make half double crochet all over to the end. This is the end, and continue your work. Double crochet, half double crochet in every stitch till to the end, and do it for 6 times. Same pattern. Now I did my 4th row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4th. The yarn is a little bit thick, so I prefer to make 4th row. So I chain 9, and now I will put the needle in the middle. This is the middle of the sole, so I will put my needle here, and this is the front foot. Make half double crochet here, half double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and straight to the half double crochet this one, and make slip stitch. Make slip stitch. Now I make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and make single crochet in all stitches. Make single crochet in all stitches. In the 9 stitches also make half double crochet. In the 9 make single crochet. Sorry, I was wrong. Now I made single crochet in the for the thumb space. This is the thumb space, and then 1 single crochet in every stitch in 9 stitches, and then I will do single crochet all over till to the end of this side. On the other side I made 16 chain for the strap, and now I will do in the third chain half double crochet and half double crochet till to the end. Now my shoe is ready. The strap, put the button here, and if you want to make some flowers or button, then put it here for the more decoration. So this is the thumb hole, and this is the strap to hold the baby foot. So I hope you will like my sandal, and please like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.